Hey guys, this is Solomon from Hedging Mastermind. Today is the 6th of November. As you can see, I'm going to take a quick buy right now. This is the 15 minutes time frame. I just had to bring it to the 15 minutes time frame to see it clearer. Those who of you are students will know exactly what I'm doing. Let me set my take profit at 150.5. That's where I want my first take profit to be. Let me just set it there. And yeah, if you're a student, this is like a system B trade. This is like a swing trade. You should know exactly what I'm doing right here. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com, and yeah, we'll take this. I can make more profit if I put it there. So let me just move my take profit from there and move it higher. So I should be expecting around $18,000 in profit. So these are the kind of lessons that we'll be having when you get the course. We'll be doing live swing trades, live scalping trades, just like this. You can even join me and make profit. And we'll be doing live hedging. What is hedging? Hedging is a way that makes you not lose money while trading. It's what the large hedge funds who are trading in billions do. We started this account with $250. Let me just pull that up again. $250, and so far we've made a total withdrawal of $25,000. I'm arranging. Okay, yeah, it's organized now. Yeah, a total profit of over $25,000. And yeah, where's our last? Yeah, our last withdrawal was $15,000. I'm going to make a large withdrawal this month on my swing and scalp trade account also. And yeah, in total we've made a profit of over $80,000. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com, learn how to hedge so that you don't have losses in the market. The only way I was able to compound this account so quick and so fast is because of hedging. I wasn't taking any losses from the market, only take profits and break even, take profits and break even. If you want to test the software for free, sign up with Milga Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account and send me proof of that in Telegram, link in description also below. And if you want to connect to my account, copy my trades just to see that the system works, sign up with Milga Markets also. Make sure you have at least $350 in your account and send me proof of that on Telegram. Make sure to join the free Telegram group also. I might start doing, and if you want to get the VIP signals also, go to hedgingmastermind.com. I might start doing free signals and I'll announce that in the Telegram group. All right, guys, we're back. Today is the 7th of November. We're on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, a lot of profits has already been made. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go on my phone and close in half of that profit. I'll screen record it so you guys can see also. Done. Take profits of 3,900. The rest, I'm going to leave it for it to go up to my final take profits. And yeah, that's how it is. I may do free signals. If I'm going to do free signals, I'm going to announce it in my Telegram group. So I'm looking for 800 yes votes. If I get 800 yes votes next month, I'll allow maybe 20 people, 50 people, who knows how many people, will decide later on. But let's get the votes to 800 votes in the free Telegram group, and I'll allow some people to have access to the VIP signal group for maybe 3 to 6 months. With that being said, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll come back recording another video when we are about to hit our second take profit on this trade. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, click the notification bells on, and we'll be right back soon. Thank you.